Hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to reset your Instagram Explore page full guide. So let's get started. Sometimes guys, when you are scrolling on your Explorer page, you're not really having that much of fun, and you might not all the content. So what should you do in this case? You're simply gonna go ahead and click on your profile and click on the top right corner lines, three lines in here, which will take you to this page, which is the settings and activity. From here, go all the way down into here into the what you see option or category. From there, click on content preferences, as you can see right here. Now, as you can see, we have four different kind of options that we need to play around. The interested, you haven't added any post that you are interested in, and sensitive content. If you want to have sensitive content doesn't or in your page, then go on less. And if you doesn't want to have any sensitive content on your profile, then click on more, so you might see more sensitive content. So yeah, you can play around them. For me, I'd like really to go with less. You might see less sensitive content, and just like that, we are clear with sensitive content. Now, for interesting ones, how can we make sure that something that you are interested in is the thing that's gonna be popping up in our Instagram Explorer page? So we can go here, and for example here, this is football. I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna click on these dots, and what I'm gonna do is click on interested right here. After that, if I want to hear back to the settings when I was before, and went to the what you see option, content preference, interested, you will find here that you have added something that you are interested in. From now on, you will have more stuff like that related to football in the future. Of course, here you have also political content. If you would like to have political content showing up in your profile, then you can choose whether you want it or not from here. In case you are not interested in a certain content as well, you can simply go ahead and add them to this area simply by doing the same thing as we did to the normal content. For example, here I'm gonna click on the three dots and click that I am not interested, and this will do it for you. And this is how you can reset the Instagram Explorer page. And yeah guys, thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.